Payment Protection Insurance, or PPI, is insurance designed to cover loan, finance or credit card payments in case you're made redundant or are too sick to work. In itself, PPI isn't a bad product. However, claims have been made due to various mis-selling practices by lenders, agents and brokers that have been rife across the financial services sector for years. The Financial Services Authority, or FSA, issued a new handbook at the end of 2010, identifying the most typical mis-selling practices. The handbook laid down guidelines for lenders to compensate customers who had been mis-sold PPI. The banks initially challenged the legality of the FSA's measures, but ended their action in May this year, paving the way for thousands of PPI reclaims. Some of the worst mis-selling practices related to single premium PPI, which was banned by the FSA in May 2009. This was where the PPI was added to the loan as a one-off premium at inception. Single premium PPI was an especially bad deal for several reasons, which were seldom revealed or adequately explained to consumers. Firstly, it was frequently automatically included in the overall loan quotation, instead of being explained separately, meaning that customers were often unaware of the policy. Secondly, it was poor value for money. Alternative PPI was usually available much cheaper elsewhere, however customers were often given the impression that the product was compulsory. Thirdly, customers with single premium PPI were rarely entitled to a pro rata refund if the loan was repaid early, making this type of PPI unsuitable for those likely to refinance. Fourthly, interest was payable on the entire premium from the outset. Finally, the term of cover was often shorter than the loan itself, meaning that customers were unprotected if made redundant during the latter part of the loan. In essence, single premium PPI was the most glaring example of a bad deal for the consumer in a market in which mis-selling was rife. For more information on PPI refunds, contact the Claims Connection managed by Winston Solicitors LLP on 0845 009 6899 or visit www.theclaimsconnection.co.uk.